So apparently there's this really simple baking soda recipe that's been making the rounds online, and the claim is pretty wild. It's a whoa recipe, Oprah dropping 43 pounds without injections, and people are saying it was connected to Oprah dropping 43 pounds without injections. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the first time I heard that, I thought, yeah, okay, what is this now? But then I saw how simple the recipe actually is. It's not some weird list of 20 ingredients either. It starts with baking soda, which most people already have sitting somewhere in their kitchen. And the part that caught my attention isn't even the baking soda itself. It's the way the ingredients are put together and when people are supposed to take it. That's the part that keeps getting left out when people talk about this recipe. So I went back and looked at the version everyone's been sharing, and there are a couple of details you definitely want to know before you try making it yourself. The recipe is surprisingly simple, which is probably why it's getting so much attention in the first place. I'll walk you through exactly what's in it, how people are preparing it, and where the whole Oprah story comes from. Because once you hear the actual recipe, you'll probably understand why this thing has been all over the internet.